Hello, welcome to class. My name is Teacher Dorcas. Okay, so how about you? What's your name? Wow, Michael. Okay, nice to meet you, Michael. Michael, can you say my name is Michael? Great job. Okay, Michael. So tell me, how old are you? Wow, 8. Okay, Michael, can you say I am 8 years old? Great job, Michael. Okay, Michael, so tell me, where do you live? Lagos. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, Michael, say I live in Lagos. Great, awesome. Michael, you get a star. Okay, so today we are going to be learning how to use like in English. Okay, Michael, and our objectives for the class are by the end of the lesson, you should be able to pronounce like and make sentence with like. Okay, great. Okay, so Michael, look, like, okay, like, beautiful. Okay, so Michael, can you circle like? Wow, great job, Michael. You get a superhero. Good job. Okay, Michael. Okay, so Michael, look. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Toy cars. Can you say toy cars? Great job. Toy cars. Okay, Michael. Look, toy cars. Great. Okay, Michael. I like toy cars. I like toy cars. Great job. Okay. I like beautiful. Okay, Michael. I like toy cars. Great. Michael. Great. Toy cars. Okay, Michael. Michael, look. Desk. Great job. Desk. Perfect. Okay. Desk. Okay. Michael. Beautiful desks. Okay. So, Michael, I like desks. Beautiful. I like desks. Great. Michael, I like. Good job. Good job, Michael. Okay, Michael, can you circle desks? Wow, you get a good job. Yeah, a thumbs up. Good job. Good job, Michael. You're doing so well. Okay, Michael. Look. Dolls. 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 Great job, Michael. Okay. I like dolls. Great job, Michael. I like dolls. I like dolls. I like dolls. I like dolls. Great job, Michael. You get a high five. Good job, Michael. Okay, Michael, can you circle dolls? Wow, great job, Michael. You get a star. Yeah, a sticker. Beautiful, Michael. Okay, Michael, we have come to the end of the class. Thank you so much for your participation. Do you have any questions or clarifications? Okay, so thank you. See you next time. Bye.